Today I'm very excited as my long-awaited trip is finally happening. We have been planning for this motorcycle adventure for months, and right now we are starting for it. And today we'll be flying into Sofia in Bulgaria. Why Bulgaria? Well, we decided to make our adventure more interesting by starting to ride from Sofia in Bulgaria all the way across the country into Romania. It's definitely the best. Currently we are driving towards Helsinki Airport, which is just 20 minutes away from my home. I'm well known for being late to the airport all the time. It seems like today we would be having enough time. Well, that's what I thought at first.
Guys,
But my travel buddy, Saurabh, he forgot his motorcycle boot at home. Well, that was the only item we were supposed to bring with us, at least the motorcycle gear. Anyway, since we had to start our ride tomorrow early morning, we need to get our boot quickly.
10 minute मात्रै टाइम छ 10 मिनेटमा अब सामान किनेर निस्केन भने प्लेन छुट्ने चान्सेस म्याक्सिमम.
That's why we decided to check out to the shop nearby. I was really hoping that he would get some boot on time, as I didn't really wanted to miss the flight this time.
This is good. Yes.
Small space here.
Yeah. Because a little bit more.
जुत्ता चाहिँ पाए लास्टमा.
We had only 30 minutes before the departure. Luckily, we managed to get into our gate on time, as this was Helsinki Airport. After traveling more than 50 countries, I could confidently say that Helsinki Airport has one of the fastest and most efficient connection in the world.
10 मिनेटमा सबै कुरा चेक इन बोर्डिङ पास अलरेडी अनलाइन भइहाल्यो.
We didn't have any bags to check in, and security pass, well, that was just done in 10 minutes flat. आउने बेला के भन्छ सुज ल्याउन भुल्नु भएछ अनि त्यसपछि फेरि हामी सुज किन्न जानु पर्यो. त्यसले गर्दा झन्डै हामीले प्लेन छुटाइसकेका थियौँ, तर जब त न टाइममा चाहिँ आउनु भ्याइयो. र हेलसिङ्की एयरपोर्टमा चाहिँ यस्तो छ कि युजली अरू एयरपोर्टमा चाहिँ हामीले पानी पनि भित्र आएपछि लिनु मिल्छ होइन. सिक्युरिटी पासमा चाहिँ पानीहरू या लिक्विडहरू चाहिँ लियो भने खासै पास गराउनु पाइँदैन होइन, 100 ml भन्दा माथिको लिक्विड आइटम चाहिँ. तर यहाँ चाहिँ अप टु 2 liter. How awesome is that, right? Today we are flying with Norwegian Airlines, and I was surprised that we had this front row seat, and it was good to see this cockpit view for a while. No surprise that today also we were the last one to board the flight, and we didn't have to wait long before the plane started to take off. It was cruising over Gulf of Finland towards this small Baltic nation of Estonia. Today we will be flying over these Baltic countries, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary and Romania, into finally Bulgaria. You might be wondering why our flight path is not so straight. Well, this is because of ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Two hours into the flight, the sun began to set and I was quite excited to spot this Danube River in the distance. Danube River is second longest in Europe and marks the most of the border between Romania and Bulgaria. We'll be crossing this river later to get into Romania from Bulgaria, and I will be talking more about it. And let me tell you, the sunset over the Bulgarian side of Balkan mountains were very dramatic. म चाहिँ भर्खर बुल्गेरियाको राजधानी सोफिया स्थित सोफिया इन्टरनेसनल एयरपोर्ट पक्कै पनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ ल्यान्ड गरेँ होइन। हाम्रो 2.5 घण्टाको फ्लाइट स्मुथली नै आयो भनौँ, हल्का टर्बुलेन्स थियो तर अदरवाइज एभ्रिथिङ वेन्ट जस्ट फाइन। अनि फर्स्ट सम रिजन मैले यहाँ मान्छेहरूको भिड चाहिँ रास्दै देखिरहेको छु है। आई डोन्ट नो किन हो, एकदम कस्तो भिडभाड होइन, पुरै अनम्यानेज जस्तो एकदम हुन्छ नि। सिटी सेन्टरमा मान्छेहरू दौडे जस्तो फिल भइरहेको छ। हेलसिङ्की एयरपोर्टमा चाहिँ एकदम काम मजाले खाली त्यस्तो देखिरहेको, अनि चिसो पनि फिल भइरहेको छ। त्यस्तो धेरै गर्मी पनि रहन्छ, बट मान्छेहरू यहाँ चाहिँ अलिकति कलरफुल भयो मलाई इन्भाइरोमेन्ट यसो हेर्दाखेरि।
कति रहेछ ब्रो?
मैले जस्ट 100 युरोजको 1.86 को रेटले बुल्गेरियन लेभ साटिन्। तर त्यहाँ भनेअनुसार चाहिँ यहाँ क्यास मोस्टली, अनि त्यसपछि युरो चाहिँ खासै एक्सेप्ट गर्दैनन् रे होइन। सो अलवेज क्यास चाहिँ लाउनुपर्छ, त्यो पनि यहाँको बुल्गेरियन लेभ नै भन्दैछ नि। अब के हुन्छ। After landing in Sofia airport, we figured out that the city center was just 10 kilometers west of the city. After a little bit of research, we found out that metro was the fastest way to get there. Just 20 minutes, very easy. And it was very cheap too. That's why we decided to take a metro and get to our hotel in the city center. This time flight wasn't that long, but it seemed like sort of needed a nap. Meanwhile, I was checking out this metro system which was built in 60s, and this is the only metro system in Bulgaria.
Metro is different. अलिकति vibe चाहिँ अलि रमाइलो नै छ।
By the time we reached hotel, we were a bit tired, but very excited because of tomorrow. Because tomorrow, our real adventure would begin, our long-awaited motorcycle trip to Romania.